Hello friends, how are you doing? I am fine. Today I have come to discuss on sentence, a grammatical item. So let's get started our activity. What is sentence? Sentence is a combination of words that makes a complete sense or complete meaning. According to the meaning, sentence is five kinds. But according to the structure, sentence three kinds. According to the structure, sentence three kinds: simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. According to the structure, sentence is three kinds: simple, complex, compound. But we are talking today according to the meaning of sentence. According to the meaning, sentence is five kinds. According to the meaning, sentence is five kinds. According to the structure, sentence is three kinds. According to the meaning, sentence five kinds, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamative sentence. But according to the structure, sentence is three kinds: simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. If anyone asks you how many types of sentence are there according to the structure, at the time you should say three types: simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. But if anyone asks you how many sentences are there according to the meaning, at that time you have to reply or answer as sentences five kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. I hope you have understood well. So let's get started to know kinds of sentences. Assertive sentence, assertive or declarative, a sentence that makes a statement, that expresses statement, is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is two kinds or two types: affirmative, negative. Affirmative, negative. I go to school, assertive sentence. Again affirmative. I don't go to school, assertive sentence. Again negative. Assertive is classified into two parts or two categories: affirmative and negative. I like it, assertive sentence. I don't like it, assertive sentence. He is honest, assertive sentence. He is not honest, assertive sentence, but negative. As assertive is classified into two categories. Then interrogative or question. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative or question. Such as, do you like it? What do you like? They are honest, aren't they? Do you know where he lives? Interrogative sentence is categorized into four types again, such as, if interrogative sentence is beginning with auxiliary verb, that is called yes or no. Have you done it? Are you ready? Is he honest? Will they come? These types of interrogative sentences are called yes no question. Then WS question. WS question. How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? What have you done? Why has he come? These types of interrogative sentences are called WS question. Then take question. To confirm any statement, we have to put or make question at the end of the sentence. That is called tag question. He is honest. He is honest. Isn't he? If the statement is given in affirmative, tag will be negative. If the statement is given in negative, tag will be affirmative. He is honest. Isn't he? Tag question. He is not honest. Is he? Tag question. They are writing. Aren't they? Tag question. They are not writing. Are they? Tag question. Then embedded question, another one. Embedded question. Question is asked at the later part of the sentence. Do you know where he lives? The information is necessary here. Do you know why he comes? Do you know when he will come? In this way. That means interrogative sentence is categorized into 4. Yes, no question, WS question, tag question, embedded question. Embedded. At the later part of the sentence of interrogative sentence, we find this type of characteristics. Imperative sentence, a sentence that expresses advice, prohibition, command, request, permission and proposal is called imperative sentence. Such as always speak the truth, advice. Don't write it, prohibition. Do it, command. Please do it, request. Let me do it, permission. Let's play or let us play, proposal. Then for optative or desire, a sentence that expresses desire, wishes or prayer is called optative or desire. May Allah help you. May you get GPA 5. May you get success. I wish I were a leader. I wish I could fly in the sky. Good morning. Good afternoon. Happy New Year. Eid Mubarak. Happy birthday to you. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a certain feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. What a pity. What a beauty. What a beautiful picture it is. How nice it is. How costly it is. Note of exclamation will be found there. Alas, I am undone. Hooray, we have got it. Hooray, we have got it. Fee, you have done it. This way. I think that you have understood well. Please watch the video or listen time and again to understand properly. I think there will not be any problem to understand. If you feel problem, write on comment box. If you think the lessons are useful, I am uploading here. Please subscribe to my channel to motivate me, to inspire me. I will come back again with another useful lessons. Till then, bye bye.